today we're going to show you how to make moi-moi. And yeah, let's get into it. So first, what you're gonna do is wash your beans, because you need beans to make moi-moi. You're gonna wash it real nicely and make sure, no dirty stuff is in there. And then, after you're washing it real nicely, you wanna make sure you peel it, peel the skin off the moi-moi. It's really hard, but you get used to it at some point. But today we're just gonna show you how to do it, and yeah, let's just have fun and stay tuned and stuff like that. You feel me? Anyways, after you peel the moi-moi, you wanna make sure you wash it again. As you see, you gotta wash it real nicely, and then you wanna blend it. Get all that little skin and black stuff out of it, because if you don't blend it, it's gonna look and gonna taste a little, iffy and funky, and we don't want no funky taste. But yeah, as you can see, blend it and then wash it again. But the ingredients we're gonna be using is pepper, onions, tomatoes, crawfish, and just to sum it all up, it's gonna be real nice and tasty. And this is the final product. As you can see, real nice. Add some eggs and onions in there, some peppers, and then you boil it for a little bit, for a cool little 30 minutes. And then, you're gonna enjoy it. And I made my mom make it, but yeah, have fun, stay tuned. Bye guys.